Welcome back, guys. Well, I tell you, today is a bit of a serious topic because, Hurricane Beryl, everybody is saying gave Jamaica a break. And yes, it did, because it could have been a whole lot worse, right? But what we're not realizing, I think some of us, is that the South Coast was badly beaten and other areas in Jamaica got badly beaten by this monster storm. So although for the most part, the North Coast and some of the inner parishes, they never got hit as hard. One of the places that really got hit terribly is Treasure Beach and the South Coast in general. So I have a friend and I was speaking to her this morning, and this is a couple of days well after the storm has passed, and they still have no lights in St. Elizabeth. And in her particular area, Great Bay, in Treasure Beach there, she was showing me pictures because she drove home there 2 days ago, and she was driving through the place. She spent 2 days helping her family to kind of clean up after the devastating damage. Like when you see the pictures in this video, and you'll see a little clip of her driving back home and seeing it for the first time. And it's really a shocker because about 75% of the houses in that area have lost their roofs. And she was sharing with me a bit about her aunt, her next door neighbor as well, who, there's a picture of her that I'm going to put up in this video. And she looks like she's, she has weathered an amazing event. She was 87 years old. She was alone during the storm. She went into her room and she just prayed. She thought she was going to die, she told her niece, right? And the hurricane blew off every roof off of every room in her house except her bedroom. So she was in the bedroom and that roof didn't blow off. And this picture is of her standing there where you can see through to the sky. Every other roof is gone, But with that said, her niece tells me that she's in good spirits and everybody's just picking up the pieces. They're exhausted because they're working really hard round the clock to put things back together. And there is this photographer, her name is Abby Townsend, and she lives in Great Bay, and she has taken some amazing photographs. And I was told by my friend that she spoke with her and we got permission. We can use these pictures to show you guys. So we'll be showing you some of those pictures as well. And she's also started a GoFundMe for the Great Bay area in Treasure Beach. So I'm going to give you the short link for that you can type in, or I'll give you a clickable link in the description if you're watching from another device. I know a lot of you watch from TV and it's difficult to find those things. So I'll put a short link that you can pause the video, write it down, and just put that into your browser and click on it and see if you can help them and support them, because it's devastating, guys. It really is, to see the damage that has been done. I mean, I don't have any pictures of this, but Bamboo Avenue in Holland, I saw some pictures the other day of the before and after. That has been flattened, and I've never seen that in my lifetime. Bamboo Avenue don't look the same, and it's going to take a while for that to come back. So although it was missed, there are parts of Jamaica that are terribly damaged and they need your support. And we as Jamaicans who live outside of Jamaica, we can, help in some way, whatever it is. It doesn't have to be a lot, but whatever it is, it all adds up, okay? So watch the video. I'm sorry, there's a lawnmower happening behind me here. But watch the video. You'll see the images. And at the end, I'll give you the GoFundMe link and you can help if you wish to do so. Or share the video with your friends, family. Let's see if we can help these guys to rebuild St. Elizabeth. It's such a beautiful part of our lovely island home, Jamaica. Enjoy the video, but be mindful of what was happened there. So there you have it, guys. You saw for yourselves, like that is a rough amount of damage that has taken place, and they need our support, they need our help. So I'm putting the GoFundMe link up in the corner here, and as I said, I'm putting a short link so that you can pause your video and you can take it down and you can put it into your browser and head out and help. Okay, so let's see what we can do. And as again, if you're unable to do something financially, just share the video. Maybe you can share it with a family member or a friend who might be in a position to help. You never know. So spread the word, because it's important that we realize that it didn't really miss Jamaica. It really didn't. So you know, there's lots that we can do. Okay, so please share the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment if you have other areas that you are living in or that you know of, your family is in, that were damaged. You know, let us know in the chat, because it's good for us to be aware, because how else can we help if we're not aware, right? So anyway, we love Jamaica, we do everything we can, right? That's how it is. And thank you for your support, thank you for watching, and again, share and let's help St. Elizabeth. Okay, thank you, bye.